Hi, everybody, and welcome to the Sagebrush Happy Hour Journal entry for March 13th, 2025. So today I thought I would just do a quick install on this load center that you see right here. And I would put in a couple breakers there and between the inverter and the house, and just to kind of neaten things up and make things a little bit more safe. And I thought it would be maybe an hour job, and it turned into a 7-hour job, and I'm exhausted. So yeah, it was just, every step of the way things were fine to me, and you know, and the main thing is that the cables, lines, or wires going into the house, into out here to the utility shed, weren't quite long enough. So I only had about a foot to work with down there on those wires, and I didn't have the wire stretcher. So ended up being a 7-hour job. Like I said, I'm tired and ready for a beer. That's what's happening on the Mesa today. Cheers.